Let's take a look at some features of the CRG Centurion, one of the most successful go-karts in the rental sector and CRG's best-selling rental car. A recent market survey conducted on a sample of over 1,500 rental kart enthusiasts identified the CRG Centurion as one of the most fun go-karts to drive. This is because its features are very similar to a racing kart. It provides a driving experience that's engaging and fun, and that's what so many customers above all are looking for in a rental car. Today's market is highly evolved and very demanding, and the CRG Centurion knows exactly how to meet these kinds of needs and market demands. When we speak with rental track managers, one of their top priorities, and of course for CRG as well, is safety. The CRG Centurion has safety systems, CE certified protections with a very high shock absorption capacity that ensure maximum protection for the driver and also for every mechanical part of the go-kart. For track managers, this translates into peace of mind because their customers are always safe in a professional vehicle. And above all, very low cost when it comes to spare parts, because despite the natural contact that comes with rental activities, the CRG Centurion is very safe, very reliable, ensuring very low costs for replacement parts. One of the important aspects for rental kart tracks is to have a reputable major partner by their side, and in this regard, CRG is a leading partner in the market. We can provide our customers with specific pre- and post-sales consulting. We have a complete range of rental go-karts. We can cover everything from karts for children, the mini rentals, all the way to four-stroke karts with various engine setups, from 270 to 390 cubic centimeters, and even electric car. We have marketing events like the Rental Kart World Contest or the 24 Hours Race that are able to bring customers from our partner tracks to an exclusive event organized directly by CRG, and they work very well for building customer loyalty. Choosing CRG doesn't just mean choosing one of the best go-karts in terms of safety, driving experience and design. It also means choosing a partner who supports you during the pre-purchase phase and in the post-sales phase.